For a bit of context, my project from the beginning has been to try to alleviate one of the biggest challenges for my business, which is the amount of times that I'm taking right now on customer service for phone calls from customers. We get a number of customer phone calls in the middle of the night. I get customer phone calls. This morning, I had missed 3 calls already at 7 a.m. when I woke up. Um, just from this morning, from folks that were on different time zones that are traveling in. And so what I did was, in anticipation of trying to hire a customer service person before this class, I'd compiled a roughly 10-page document of all of the items that I felt were important to train a new employee, from the way that we handle billing questions to the way that we handle membership, um, cancellations, and escalations around pricing not being handled properly, to the way that we handle when somebody calls and just asks the most basic question, which happens most commonly, which is, can I make a reservation? And so I had this kind of like document put together, an SOP, if you will. But then when I took this class, I felt that the challenge was, and I had this in the back of my mind, is it possible for me to use like a Claude agent to basically address the questions from customers without me needing to even be involved? And so what I put together over the course of the last 4 weeks, and then I can talk through the testing iterations that I've done, like who I had help me test this, a number of different people, some like AI capable people, some just like randos, um, and then how I'm planning on rolling it out, which I haven't rolled it out live yet, but my goal is I'm going to roll this out live next week for all of our customers. But the way that I want to demo this today is literally by calling the number. And so I'm going to put the number into the chat. And I encourage you to also, please, if you're comfortable with it, everybody on the call, call this number. You don't have to do it right now, but it'd be an interesting challenge if we did. Um, and the the agent that I've set up is going to basically, it's a little bit scary, but it actually records all of our phone calls. So with only a couple minutes left, let's give him a call. I'm going to put it on speaker and see if you can hear it.
Hi, this is Nancy, Bozeman Classics After Hours AI Assistant. I'm not a real person, but I'm pretty helpful. What can I help you with?
Hey, I'm interested in making a reservation for tomorrow, but I'm not a member. Can you help me book a court?
Yes, absolutely. Guests are always welcome to book for it. Since we're a self-service facility, you'll just need to create a profile through our booking system, Note Reserve, and add a credit card to secure the reservation. Would you like me to text you the link to our booking page so you can get that set up?
Actually, I'm not comfortable with that. Can I learn a little bit more about taking lessons though?
I understand. We have excellent coaches and a few different ways to learn, depending on what you're looking for. Are you interested in a private one-on-one lesson, a small group lesson, or
Yes.
a specific clinic?
Yes, I'm interested in a small group lesson with my wife. When can I book that?
That sounds like a great idea. We offer semi-private lessons that would be perfect for you and your wife. Would you like me to text you the booking link so you can see the available times for our instructors?
Actually, can you connect me to a manager? I'm actually outside the facility right now. I'm trying to get in. How do I get into the door?
I'm sorry you're having trouble getting in. Since we are a self-service facility, you should receive the unique store code when you made your reservation, which activates 15 minutes before your start time. Since you're there now, I'll flag this as urgent and have our owner, Elliot, give you a call right away to help you get inside. May I have your first and last name and the best phone number to reach you at?
Yep, it's Yo Mama's house, and my phone number is 8675309.
Thank you for providing that information. I flagged this as an urgent matter for Elliot, and he will reach out to you at 867-5309 as soon as possible to help you get into the facility. Is there anything else I can help you with while you wait?
Nope, that's it. Thanks so much. So, in summary, that call is taking a little bit longer than I would like because it's working through the different jobs, and the agent jobs are pretty brief. And so, some of the jobs right now, they don't really have a good consistent path to connect the different jobs together. And so, that's the follow-up step on this is for me to just, make more connective tissues between the different jobs to try to shorten the delay between the different jobs. And that's all. Thanks.